Welcome in JK Tutorials. My name is Jitendra Kumar. Now today I am going to show you how to create a Java socket programming for a real-time chat application. So before going to start coding portion, first of all you have to create a folder in any drive. Suppose I am going to create a folder in C drive and which name is socket. You can take a name, any name, but I am taking a socket. So for a coding portion, now I'm going to start my editor node++. So start coding. So before coding starting, I am give the name for the file, that is server dot java, and you must be remember that Java file must be kept in the folder in which you are already created, that is socket. Okay, now I am going to start my coding portion, that is import java.ios. This Java libraries is import all the libraries which is required for input output. So give the name of the class, that is class. As you know that the class name is same as the name of the Java files, that is server. So for going to start, create a public static void method, that is public static void main. This is the method which take the argument as a string args is an argument name, and that is, and before going to write a coding for the socket server, we have to write a code for catching the error which will be happening during the execution of the program. So write a catch block which catch the error, that is exceptions e, and write a code for that is displaying the error, that is system dot out dot print ln. Exceptions is an object function, so for creating a string we have to write a code method which is dot to string. Okay, now for the coding portion, now I'm going to start coding. That is, first of all we have to create a server socket, that is server socket. Object name is server socket is equal to new server socket, which take argument as a port number. Write a port number like that. You can write any port number, but remember that port number is not a reserved port number. So then after we create a socket object name is SOC, which is get initialized by the server socket object dot get server, sorry for it is initialized by the server socket object, and accept the request which is come from the client side. Now for receiving the data from the socket, I'm going to write the code, that is input stream, that is input stream is equal to, it gets initialized by the socket object, that is socket dot get input stream, and for this getting the data from input stream, that is data input stream, that is data input stream object is equal to new data input stream, and it take the argument of the data in input stream and these two lines of code is used for receiving the data which is coming from the socket. And now for sending the data we have to create output stream. So write code for output stream, that is output stream object. It get also initialized by the socket object. Get output stream, stream. And now for getting the data, that is output data output stream, object name is data output stream equals to new data output stream. It's also take the object of the data output stream. And now for receiving the data and sending the data I write the code. And now for taking the input from the keyboard we write a code, that is input stream reader is equal to input stream reader is equal to new input stream reader. Let's take the input as an argument, that is system dot input. And now buffer, we call the buffer reader that is br equals to new buffer reader is take the input as the input, the object of the input stream reader. Now I'm going to create a while loop. It's continue until it is true, and write the code for, first of all server is receiving the code, there is system.out.println, that is received sorry, I'm getting misspell. Received data come from data input stream, that is read UTF. Okay, now for sending the data from the server side, system.out.print, that is code for send. Okay, now for sending the data, that is data output stream, write UTF. Okay, and take the while loop, that is br dot read line. Okay guys, now we complete the coding for the server Java files. And now this is the first part of my video of the socket programming. In the next video I am going to explain how to write a code for the client's Java files. So thank you for watching my video. Make a like and subscribe my channel for the more videos. Thank you. Wonderful day. Thank you very much.